Rule 5.400, Distribution and Discharge. Petition to discharge, a final accounting. A personal representative who has completed administration except for distribution shall file a final accounting and a petition for discharge, including a plan of distribution. Contents. The petition for discharge shall contain a statement that the personal representative has fully administered the estate, that all claims which were presented have been paid, settled, or otherwise disposed of, that the personal representative has paid or made provision for taxes and expenses of administration, showing the amount of a compensation paid or to be paid to the personal representative, attorneys, accountants, appraisers, or other agents employed by the personal representative, and the manner of determining that compensation, showing a plan of distribution which shall include a schedule of all prior distributions, the property remaining in the hands of the personal representative for distribution, a schedule describing the proposed distribution of the remaining assets, and the amount of funds retained by the personal representative to pay expenses that are incurred in the distribution of the remaining assets and termination of the estate administration. That any objections to the accounting, the compensation paid or proposed to be paid, or the proposed distribution of assets must be filed within 30 days from the date of service of the last of the petition for discharge or final accounting, and also that within 90 days after filing of the objection, a notice of hearing thereon must be served or the objection is abandoned, and that objections, if any, shall be in writing and shall be state with particularity the item or items which the objection is directed, and the grounds on which the objection is based. Closing estate extension. The final accounting and petition for discharge shall be filed and served on an interested person within 12 months after issuance of letters for an estate not filing a federal estate tax return. Otherwise, within 12 months from the date that the return is due, unless the time is extended by the court for cause shown after notice for interested persons. The petition to extend time shall state the status of the estate on receipt of evidence that the estate has been fully administered, distribution, and properly distributed. The personal representative shall promptly enter an order discharging the personal representative the plan and releasing the surety unless on any objections bond are filed as provided in these rules.
If you're interested in any of our services, please call 321-206-3603 or visit easterlaw.com to book a consultation.